Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in our village in Murewa Mashonaland East. I'm just about to prepare a firewood. So this one doesn't come off. So I'm just gonna do this. Those sweet potato, I was preparing mustard. Sweet potatoes. We call them bamba ira. This is our brunch breakfast. I've got a sweet potato, I've got liver, and I've got bread. So this is a brunch breakfast in our village, Murewa Mashonaland East. Come and join us.
Yeah, wood.
Yeah, these are called wood.
They're sweet.
Yeah.
That's not what you get. There was a wood there that I saw.
This one.
This.
Oh, these are called wood. I don't know the English name, but when they are ripe, they turn purple, and they are very sweet. And the tree grows very tall, just like that one over there.
Just like that tree. Grows very big.
Oh, these are. Welcome back to the channel. This is Murewa 23. Tiri kumushako Uzumba. Tashika pa Uzumba High School. And it looks beautiful. Look at the environment. So we are in Uzumba. This is where my mom was born, and my grandparents used to live here. This is their county. So beautiful, Zumba. Hello guys, this is your girl, Murewa 23. Welcome back to the channel. I'm in Harare right now at my sister's place, Chennai. So we are just enjoying ourselves, guys. We've had a very good time, quality time with family, guys. And today is just so emotional, guys. It's very, very emotional. It's our last day. We are getting ready to go back to the UK. We have had such an amazing time with family. I came back to Zimbabwe after 7 years without visiting family. So it has been so emotional. It has been a bit hectic traveling all the places. So today is our last day in Harare. We managed to travel to so many places to visit our family, pay condolences. We managed to, but we couldn't go to some of the places that we wanted to go. We have made a plan that our next visit we will be going down there where my father was born. So we managed to go to Murewa, where I grew up as a young girl. Then we went to my late mom's place in Uzumba, in Mukombe village. We managed to visit Muswe village in Uzumba. My mom's place is just opposite Chapraiser's place. So we managed to pass through Chapraiser's place as well. We didn't go to the house, but it's just opposite. So we've had such an amazing time, guys. We spent a lot of time in Murewa at our farm, and we managed to do one or two things. So it has been such an amazing time, and today is our last day to go back to the UK, and it's just
so emotional, guys. I'm feeling sad after such an amazing time here in Harare. So we won't take a long time to come back to Harare. Harare has changed since I left 7 years ago. So many changes, so many infrastructure, prices, commodity prices. So many changes has happened, guys. And you know, when you haven't been home for a long time, you find out that so many things have changed. Electricity is a problem in this country, Zimbabwe, and I bet it's in all countries, guys. So the electricity, it comes, then maybe in the morning they switch it off, and if you are lucky it will come back in the evening, but sometimes it will come back after 1 or 2 days. And I just bet it's everywhere in Africa. You know, our leaders has still got a lot of work to do, because electricity is needed. It's important to everyone, every household, businesses. Some people cannot afford geysers and solar. So our leaders has still got a lot of work to do in terms of electricity. So you guys, I will catch up with you in a little while when we are at the airport. So this is your girl, Winrew 23. Please don't forget to like my videos, share, tell friends to support your girl. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channels. And I would like to thank all my subscribers for standing by me up to this stage. Thank you all, and I love you so much. Bye bye.